This social media system will save you 40 plus hours per week. And not only that, but it will save money, it will build visibility, and it will boost credibility, because as soon as it starts pumping out content at scale, you are going to be unstoppable. And I truly believe that every single business needs some sort of a system like that. Now, I'm going to show you just the general template that I use to customize it for my clients. But this system can be implemented for any type of business. And if you're a business who wants me to implement this for you, just drop me a line below. On the other hand, if you want to learn how to make money with a system like this, because as I said, every single business needs it, and most people don't know how to set it up themselves. So again, drop me a line and I will send you the link to my school community where you're going to get all the templates. Everything is done for you. You just have to fine tune it for people and implement it for them. Okay, so let's have a very, very brief look. I'm not going to overwhelm you, but basically the whole system has 8 automations. The first automation is this one, which basically does a research and comes up with lots and lots of topics and just drops them into a database. The second one is our content production automation. And yes, it is a little bit big, and it could be bigger or it could be smaller, but this is what runs. This is like the engine. This is what's running behind the scenes and is pumping out that content. And of course, we have all these tables where we put the content. The third one is sorry, I didn't get that. Let me open it. So the third one is a very small, the third part. It has 5 automations that are just sending all the content that we're producing into the calendar here. And I'm going to show you the grid view into the calendar here. And all we do with the calendar is we select the dates that we want our content to go out. And this fourth automation, or fourth part and 8 automation, is basically searching the records, making sure that it's the right date, and is auto posting to each of those platforms. Which also means if you are paying for another scheduler somewhere else, you can actually cancel it and save even more money, because if you're paying for Airtable anyway, you might as well use Airtable as your calendar and scheduler. And this is what it looks like in a gallery. Basically, everything in here that doesn't have an image, that's a video. And the images, do you see these images are of me? They're not images, they're not photos that I have taken. The automation that is building, that is creating the content, is actually connected to a trained model trained on my face that is producing these images, which is super, super cool. Because how many times have you ran out of images that you want for yourself and you don't want to pay for photo shoots? You're exhausted taking selfie after selfie, so you might as well use AI to do it for you. So as I said, super cool system. I can set it up for you, or if you want to sell it, and just head on, actually not head on, just drop me a line and I will send you to my school, which is super cool community, and everybody in there is building AI business.